guys, so today I will tell you and show you how sparkling water or soda water can help clean and detox both your hair and scalp, make it shiny, and also increase the volume on your hair. So first things first, let me tell you the benefits of using sparkling water on your hair, and then let's go ahead and do that little experiment so let you guys see the before and after. So let's get started. Now, soda water or sparkling water creates a healthy pH of the scalp so it can help detox it. It also helps remove traces of dirt and product buildup, and your hair is gonna feel gentle and refreshed. And also, this acts as an exfoliator by lifting dirt and oil trapped in the pores. Thus, it promotes a healthy hair growth. Plus, also it reduces frizz and brittle ends. And it is such a great, gentle, deep cleanser for both the hair and scalp. And of course, as I've mentioned, it helps increases the hair volume as well if you are dealing with extremely oily hair and scalp. Alright, you guys, so this is what I am going to be using right here. And then I'm going to be diluting it with water. Now, my proportion before is 1 cup of soda water or sparkling water, and then I diluted it with just a regular water. But right now, since my hair is a bit long, I'm going to increase my proportion. So basically 2 cups of soda water or sparkling water and then 2 cups of water. So just the regular water, right? So yes, I opened it. I was able to open it because now I go to the gym, so like I said, lots of flex. Anyway, so I'm gonna put that right in here. And I have a basin right here, so I'm just gonna pour that right in there. And then I'm gonna open the other one. Okay. It's amazing how this is exactly 1 cup. Go ahead and pour that in here. And I'm just gonna add in more water. So, alright, so now I got that basin right here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair. And then just, okay. Wash my hair with it. I'm really gonna focus this on my scalp because that is the area to where I know there's so much oils in there, basically. I like that when you do this, it has like a nice sensation on the scalp. So. And this whole process is actually good to do and use if you don't have any clarifying shampoo or if you're experiencing a lot of product buildup on your hair. So that is that. I'm just gonna go ahead and soak my hair in this, and then afterwards just wash it off with your regular shampoo. And also one of the great things about doing this is that the effect actually mimics the effect of when you use apple cider vinegar on your hair, except without the pungent smells. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on my hair for about 5 minutes and then just wash it off with my shampoo and then let you guys see the result. This is the result on my hair right here. I really do like how my hair feels very soft and smooth. And yes, the claim on the shininess, it really gives your hair that shiny texture, just because probably it got rid of all the dirt and the oil and the product buildup that's making your hair look dull. Also, my hair feels very light and smooth as well. And y'all can see that there's actually volume all over my hair, not just on top, but just like all over the body of my hair. And I like that this got rid of my very oily 3rd day hair. And also what I like about it is that it did not make my scalp dry, which is a good thing. Overall, I really do like its result on my hair. I feel like my hair is more flowy and bouncy and compared to what it's like before, and I really do feel that my hair has been very cleansed, especially my scalp, because I know that's like my main area of concern. So that is that. I actually forgot how much I actually like using carbonated water or sparkling water on my hair, because before this was an alternative for me to use instead of an apple cider vinegar. And I really do like the convenience of this because I'm pretty sure in any store these days you can find carbonated water or sparkling water. So that is that. I really do like its result, and you guys check out my bangs. It's almost here now. It has been growing super fast. And yeah, so that is it. I hope you all liked this video. And also let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever tried using sparkling water on your hair. And as usual, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!